Alright guys, just got Starbucks to get a breakfast sandwich and I got some coffee, and so shower, laundry, and let's go. Alright guys, I'm literally down to my last pair of Versace boxer briefs, and my last pair of shorts and my last pair of t-shirt and socks too. So I'm gonna go over to the On store and see if I can find a shirt. Go ahead. The cool thing is they literally have those vending machines everywhere. Finally made it here. Alright, let's see if I can find something. Check out my new On drip. It's a nice long sleeve. I actually needed it for when I'm up in the mountains, and I didn't bring the long sleeve with me because it's hot. But anyway, glad I found this now. It's time to get this laundry done. So let's do it. Alright, these are the washers. 200 yen, which is about $1.80.